Break a bone, and your body doesn't just patch it with a scar, it completely regenerates living bone from scratch. It's a microscopic construction site of cellular chaos unfolding over months to rebuild what was lost. The snap of a fracture tears through blood vessels and rips the bone's living outer layer, the periosteum. Blood pours into the jagged gap between the broken ends. This isn't just senseless destruction, it's the vital first spark of the entire healing cascade. Within hours, the bleeding clots into a dark, glistening haematoma that acts as a temporary glue. Swarms of inflammatory cells flood into the sticky trap, clearing away the debris. It looks like a bruise, but it's actually the biological foundation for everything that comes next. Over the next few weeks, the clot transforms into a soft, rubbery cartilage bridge called the soft callus. Delicate new blood vessels begin to thread their way through this translucent collar. It's flexible, fragile, and not yet strong enough to bear weight, but it holds the fracture together. Now, the real alchemy begins. The body replaces that soft cartilage with a hard, mineralized lattice of woven bone. Crystals of calcium phosphate lock into place, forging a rigid collar that steadily stiffens the break. This is the hard callus, and it finally gives the bone structural strength. Over many months, the bone's mechanical sensors orchestrate a final refinement. Osteoclasts chew away the excess bulk, while osteoblasts lay down sleek, organized lamellar bone in its place. Slowly, the thick, clumsy scar is sculpted back into the bone's original smooth shape. This incredible process relies on a fragile balance. Smoking poisons it, nicotine chokes the microvasculature, starving the healing site of oxygen. But the right conditions, like proper stability and good nutrition, ensure the body's cellular machinery can finish the job. From a violent fracture to a seamless rebuild, bone healing is true regeneration. Inflammation, soft callus, hard callus, and remodeling. A spectacular biological journey that restores the skeleton to its original strengths, leaving barely a trace of the break.